Passive income ideas are like your secret money-making allies that work even when you're not. Whether it's rental properties, investing in stocks, or creating an online course, these sources can keep your cash flowing. Which one suits your skills and goals best? It's like picking the perfect tool for the job, and the right choice can lead to financial success while you're catching up on sleep. Today, we've got an exciting topic to discuss: passive income ideas that can help you make money while you sleep. Who doesn't love the idea of earning money without actively working for it, right? We'll be covering a range of strategies from investing in stocks and real estate to creating your blog, writing a book, and so much more. So stay tuned as we explore these fantastic ways to boost your income. Investing in stocks. Investing in stocks is much like planting seeds for your financial future. It may bring feelings of excitement and hope as you watch your money grow over time, much like tending to a garden. However, there can also be moments of uncertainty and even a touch of anxiety, especially when the stock market goes through ups and downs. It's a bit like a roller coaster ride, but staying patient and focused on your long-term goals is key. Over time, as you see your investments grow and you make smart decisions, it can bring a great sense of accomplishment and financial security, much like enjoying the fruits of your labor in a bountiful harvest. So investing in stocks is not just about numbers. It's a journey filled with emotions, opportunities, and the promise of a more prosperous tomorrow. Real estate investments. Investing in real estate resembles a time-honored endeavor with deep-rooted traditions, much like the wisdom of an ancient tree. As you venture into the world of real estate, it fosters a sense of assurance and optimism, much like constructing a sturdy financial foundation. Nevertheless, there may be moments of unease, resembling a passing storm, especially when market conditions fluctuate. It's somewhat akin to navigating through changing weather patterns. However, as you witness the growth of your property's value and the inflow of rental income, it bestows a profound sense of achievement and financial security, much like reaping the rewards of diligent labor. Therefore, real estate investment encompasses more than just owning properties. It is a journey brimming with emotions, prospects, and the promise of a more prosperous future. Blogging and YouTube. If you're truly passionate about a particular topic or hobby, then stepping into the world of blogging or launching your own YouTube channel can be an exciting adventure. It's like opening a door to a world where you get to talk about the things you love, just like having a conversation with friends. However, in the beginning, it's normal to feel a little uncertain, somewhat like when you start a new game and are not sure of all the rules. Yet, as you engage with people who share your interests, it can bring a sense of joy and belonging, much like finding new friends who appreciate the same things you do. Blogging and YouTube aren't just about creating content for the internet. They're personal journeys where you grow, learn, connect, and who knows, your passion might turn into something truly amazing. In the world of blogging and YouTube, it's not just about what you put out there. It's about the connections you make and the impact you have on others. It's like writing in a diary that the whole world can read, or having your own TV channel where you're the star. It's exciting and sometimes a little challenging, like when you take on a new project, but the journey is filled with opportunities to learn and inspire. So when you start your blog or YouTube channel, you're not just sharing your interests, you're sharing a piece of yourself with the world, and it's a chance to make a positive difference while doing something you love. Writing and art. If you have a way with words or a creative artist inside you, there are exciting options to explore. You can discover how to make money by writing books or creating beautiful art, and you can even sell prints of your art online. These timeless works have the power to generate income that keeps coming in, almost like having a money-making legacy that carries on for years. It's not just about making money, it's about sharing your unique talents and leaving a mark on the world through your creativity, which can be truly fulfilling. So whether you're passionate about writing or art, your skills can bring joy and financial security. App and software development. Stepping into the world of app and software development is like having a toolbox of endless possibilities. It's like having a magic wand to create something out of nothing. At times, it can be quite thrilling, like when you're embarking on a thrilling adventure and you're not sure what you'll discover along the way. There may be moments of frustration when you face challenging coding problems, like solving tricky puzzles. But when you finally see your app or software working and people benefiting from it, it's like a moment of pure joy and achievement, akin to solving the most complicated puzzle. In the world of app and software development, it's not just about coding or technology, it's a creative journey. It's like painting a masterpiece using lines of code. You're bringing your ideas to life and making things better for others. It's also a journey of innovation, much like inventing something new. The world of app and software development is filled with passion, determination, and countless learning opportunities. It's a way to turn your ideas into reality, share them with the world, and make people's lives a bit easier or more enjoyable. Peer-to-peer lending and crowdfunding. Peer-to-peer lending and crowdfunding are like a breath of fresh air in the world of investments, making it feel more approachable and community-driven. They evoke a sense of innovation and optimism, as they allow people to come together to support each other's ideas and projects. Yet, there can be moments of uncertainty, especially as you navigate the landscape of different investment opportunities. It's akin to exploring new territories. However, as you witness your investments grow and the projects you've supported come to life, a strong feeling of accomplishment and belonging emerges, much like being part of a collective effort to make dreams a reality. So peer-to-peer lending and crowdfunding aren't just about money. They represent a collaborative journey filled with the potential to create positive change and be a part of something bigger than yourself. Online courses and ebooks. Creating an online course or writing an ebook has the potential to blossom into a source of income, even while you're catching up on your beauty sleep. It's an exciting journey to share your knowledge with others, a bit like revealing your favorite recipe to friends. Yet, it can also be a little daunting, akin to tackling a new subject. There might be moments when you question if your hard work will pay off. But as you witness people learning from your course or delving into the pages of your ebook, it's like tending to a garden and seeing the first green sprouts emerge. The sense of accomplishment is tremendous, akin to watching your plants thrive after nurturing them. These online courses and ebooks are more than just digital products. They're your means of making a positive impact on others while reaping the rewards of your dedication and knowledge sharing. What's more, it's like setting up a knowledge stand where people can quench their curiosity and thirst for learning while you create a source of income that doesn't require you to be present at all times. It's a fascinating and fulfilling journey that may have its share of challenges, but ultimately offers a sense of accomplishment that's much like seeing the fruits of your labor as your digital products make a difference in people's lives. These digital creations become a part of your legacy, a way to share your wisdom with the world and secure your financial future in the process. Automated dropshipping and print on demand. When you explore automated dropshipping and print on demand, it's like starting an online store, but you don't have to keep a bunch of stuff in your garage. It can feel pretty cool and a little overwhelming, kind of like starting a new game. Sometimes you might worry if it's all going to work out, but when you see people ordering your products and those products getting sent out without you having to do much, it's a great feeling, like getting a surprise present in the mail. These methods offer more than just an online store. They're like your ticket to starting a business and seeing your ideas turn into real products, all while making things easy with automation. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to various passive income ideas that could help you achieve financial independence. Remember, these ideas aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They require dedication, patience, and hard work upfront, but the rewards down the road can be life-changing. We hope you found this video enlightening, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more insightful content. Until next time, happy investing, creating, and earning while you sleep.